Welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean the speaker on your phone, Samsung Galaxy A20e. For this, we need a brush with flexible bristles, making sure the bristles are soft or medium hard, because otherwise you might damage your phone. We also need isopropyl alcohol. It should be 100% pure, so it can break down the dirt and help remove it. And afterwards it will evaporate and leave no trace behind. You can buy these two items as a set, Allegro or Amazon. And if you can't get a brush like that anywhere, you can use a regular toothbrush. Just make sure it has soft or medium bristles. We start by completely turning off the phone. Never clean your phone while it's turned on, so once you've completely turned it off, move it to the side. It will be more convenient to clean because the speaker is here. Right here. This space between the grill and the glass. First we thoroughly wet the brush and get it ready so that it's damp. Hold the phone on both sides so it doesn't move around, and with a steady motion in one direction, we clean it. The speaker, repeat about 10 times on one side, then about 10 repetitions in the other direction. Repeat this process about 5 times in each direction to make sure the speaker is thoroughly cleaned. This specific process effectively causes the dirt to be pushed to the very end of the opening with a slow and steady continuous motion. And then the rotating brush carefully and thoroughly removes all of the dirt from the opening. And then we have the entire speaker opening clean. And we can clearly listen to the audio from the speaker with absolute clarity and precision, without any unwanted interference or muffling caused by accumulated debris and unwanted particles, such as fine powder, sticky grease, or various other types of foreign materials that might be on your hands or your face. After cleaning, set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes so that this alcohol is suggested so that it can evaporate, and then you can use and connect your phone as usual. And it will work perfectly. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give us a thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and see you in my next video.